In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status column in Monday.com, a powerful tool for managing your tasks and projects in an organized way. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your Monday.com account, so head over to the website and log in. Once you've logged in, find the board where you'd like to add a status column. This might be your project board, task list, or any other board where tracking the status of your tasks is essential. When you've opened your desired board, direct your attention to the last column on the right-hand side. Here, you'll notice a plus sign button. Clicking on this plus sign will allow you to add a new column to your board. As soon as you click, a menu will appear, presenting you with various options for different types of columns. We're looking for the status column, so go ahead and select that option. In one simple click, the status column will be added to your group, and you're all set to start customizing it according to your specific needs. To adjust your new status column, locate the three dotted lines situated right beside the word Status. Clicking on these dots will open a menu packed with various options. From this menu, you'll want to choose Settings to delve into the configuration features available for your status column. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Customize Status Column option. This section is where you can tailor the column to whatever suits your workflow best. Here, you have the flexibility to rename the preset labels. For instance, you might want them to better reflect the stages of your tasks. Furthermore, you can change the colors to align them with your team's existing color coding system or simply pick hues that cater to your preferences. By customizing the colors, you make it much easier to visually interpret which status each task is currently in. If you find the default labels a bit limiting or discover that they don't fully encompass all the statuses you need, there's no need to worry. Adding new labels is straightforward. You just need to click on New Label, and you'll have the opportunity to generate an additional status that seamlessly fits your project management requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a status column in Monday.com. With this enhancement, you can streamline your processes and ensure that everyone on your team has a clear understanding of the task statuses. It's an excellent way to boost both productivity and clarity within your project management efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide empowers you to make the most of Monday.com's features.